Checking in on the market rundown heading into Thursday, January 5th. The S&P 500, very bullish follow through. We gained that middle Bollinger Band back. Look at the volume that stands out here. 2 days of increased volume and certainly more volume compared to the bearish volume to end 2016. So we're knocking on the door of all-time highs. We have a couple resistance levels left. 2273.82. 2277.53, and we got up to 2272.82. So very close, but we closed strong near the high of the day, so we are anticipating the bulls to give these levels a test again tomorrow. Weekly time frame, couple weeks of consolidation, normal and healthy after a breakout. Now the bulls are looking to continue. We are going to see an increase in volume even with a 4-day week here, and we are looking for the bulls to hit a new all-time high and for this strength to continue. IWM is also looking for a new all-time high, but it has the upper Bollinger Band on the daily to deal with, and that's because we got so tight here. Higher lows, lower highs, never broke that support, and now we're up looking at these resistances, 137.64, and we did break that level today and close above it, so it's just the all-time high, 138.25, looking to be tested tomorrow, and obviously the bulls are looking for blue sky breakout continuation. Perfect bull flag, much more clear than the S&P 500, just because of the shape. Very clearly, support and resistance could be drawn parallel after a breakout, and now we're getting continuation to the upside. The S&P 500, little bit of a little wonky 3 weeks there, not as clear, a little pullback, but all in all, the psychology of what's going on is the same. QQQ, nice follow through for the bulls as well, and we are now looking towards the all-time high. That's up at 121.52, and we got within $1.11 of that level today. So closing in, middle Bollinger Band back as support. Weekly time frame never even had a very significant pullback, just one red week, but it's very clear that the weekly upper Bollinger Band resistance is a level to watch because that has been rejecting the price over the past 3 weeks. But that's all the way up at 121.05 at this point. But if the bulls want blue sky breakout this week, that is going to be a factor. So we definitely need to be watching that on the weekly. So I always refer to QQQ. I know there's technology, XLK, the sector spider, but if I'm ever curious in the technology sector, I will check in on QQQ as well, just because over 50% of the holdings are in the technology sector. And the bulls were out today, as we can see that follow through. So a couple key levels for the S&P 500 and IWM. They're going to be tested tomorrow, and we are on the verge of new all-time highs here to start 2017. And we're not going to be fighting this trend as long as the bulls keep maintaining higher lows and higher highs on normal, healthy consolidation without any big red flags in volume or anything like that. The bulls are in control. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.